Hello, hi everyone. Uh, welcome everyone. Today I'm going to explain you some Miniso products, mostly from the bathroom section. So these are very essential products in bathroom. So I'll start the video, but before that, I'll introduce myself and I'll just remove this mask so that you can hear me very well. Uh, Hi, myself Netu Shalaf Vicky, and I'm the assistant manager in Miniso. So I'll start with bathroom products today, and yeah, I'll start the video now. I'll start with the hand towels. This is a rabbit head hand towel. These are hand towel, and the material is 85% polyester and 15% nylon. You can see this. It's 85% polyester and 15% nylon. It's a hand towel, and the price is 190 rupees only. For 190 rupees, you can purchase this, and we have colors in this model. We have total four colors in this model: white, pink, this is pink, uh, this is blue, and gray. Total four colors are available in this model: white, pink, blue, and gray. These are all rabbit head. Rabbit head. You can see this rabbit head. Hello, hi Praneet Shekhar. Hello, hi Praneet Shekhar. Hi. Thank you for joining the live. You can follow us every day. We are making live videos every day. So you can see the products over here and you can order them through WhatsApp. And we do have an option of home delivery. So you can also order through WhatsApp. Okay, coming to products, we have four colors in this model. These are hand towels made of 85% polyester and 15% nylon. And four colors are available in this model: white, pink, blue, and gray. White, pink, blue, and gray. Rabbit head hand towels. So, and the price is 190 rupees each. You can order them through WhatsApp. Shopping with Miniso is easy now. You can order them through WhatsApp, and we do have an option of home delivery. So, four models are available. So, you can order them through WhatsApp. Okay, this is a Bonot hand towel. Bonot hand towel, and these are 100% cotton. These are 100% made of 100% cotton, and the price is 190 rupees. For 190 rupees, you can order this through WhatsApp. And we have colors in this model. This is red, blue, blue, and green. Red, blue, and green. Bonot hand towels. Bonot hand towel. You can order them through WhatsApp, and the price is 190 rupees. 190 rupees only. For now, 190 rupees you can order these, and these are made of 100% cotton. The material is 100% cotton. You can see the texture. Three colors are available: red, blue, and green. 100% cotton. So you can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. And coming to, these are from V Bear Bears. From V Bear Bears. You can see this. These are V Bear Bears. These are also hand towels, but these are polyester, 100% polyester. You can see this. But the design is very unique. You can see the design is there. Hello, hi Anusha. Thank you for joining our live. So these are from V Bear Bears. These are hand towels. You can use them in kitchen, bathroom, office, or even in your gym. You can use them in gym. It's up to your wish. So two models are available in this model. This is pink and this is something like a green, light green, very light green. So then the price is 190 rupees only. For 190 rupees you can order them with beautiful Unique hand towels, 190 rupees only. So for ordering, you can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. And shopping with Miniso is safe because we disinfect our products every day. So no need to panic, no need to worry. Miniso is safe to shop. So from We Bear collection, these are hand towels. So 190 rupees each and made of 100% polyester. You can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. And again, these are also hand towels. Hand towels. These are also made of 100% polyester. These are 100% polyester, and the price is 190 rupees only. These are also 190, and three colors are available in this model: pink, blue, and gray. Pink, blue, and gray. Sorry, pink, blue, and gray. Three colors are available. See, you can see how beautiful it is. These are all hand towels. You can use them in kitchen, bathroom, office, or even in gym. Isn't it cute? So the price is 190 rupees only. For 190 rupees, you can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. And these are the new arrivals in Miniso. These are the new arrivals. These are the new arrivals in Miniso. Design is very unique. Do you guys agree or not? Design is very unique. So you can hang it like this, and it's a hand towel. And this is also made of 100% polyester, and the material is polyester, 100% polyester, and the price is 190 rupees only. These hand towels, these are 190 rupees, available in three colors: brown, gray, and this is something like orange. So three colors are available in this model, and the material is 100% polyester, and the price is 190 rupees only. For 190 rupees, you can order this through WhatsApp. This is how it will look. The design is very unique. So you too can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. Do you guys have any questions or that you want to know regarding any product? Just ask me in the live. I'll answer them. I'll try to explain them. Any questions, Mr. Praneeth Shekhar and Mrs. Anusha? Just a second. Um, I'll start with towels. Oh, sorry, it's blanket. These are blankets. These are Miniso blankets for babies, especially for babies, kids. So these are blankets for kids. It will make your baby to sleep cozy. So these are very comfortable, very soft and smooth, very soft. And the material is polyester. The material is 100% polyester. So, but it is very soft. It will make your baby sleep very cozy. So this is the design, and we have models in this. This is plain pink, only the pink, plain one. It's a plain one, and this is blue color. Hello, hi, Hanja. Okay, yes, Panjagutta store is open. Panjagutta store is open, and we are located at Panjagutta next Galleria Mall, ground floor near Big Bazaar and Max. You can visit the store. The store is open now. Anything else that you want to know regarding the products, you can ask me in the live. I'll answer them. So this is another model, and the price is 250 rupees only. For 250 rupees, you can order them. Only 250 rupees, you can get this soft and smooth blanket for your kids, babies. Very smooth and soft. So you too can order them, and shopping with Miniso is easy now. You can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. And our products are very safe. We disinfect our products every day, so no need to panic, no need to worry. It is safe to shop in Miniso. You too can visit our store. Our store is located at Panjagutta next Galleria Mall beside Panjagutta Metro Station, and we are at the ground floor near Big Bazaar and Max beside Health and Glow. So you can visit the store. The store is open now. And this is from the Marvel. Whose favorite is Marvel? This is actually a blanket. This is also kids blanket, but it comes with this hood. I'll show you. This is for kids, not for me, but I'll show you how does it look like. So, so this is how it will look. Not for me, but this is for kids, for kids. So you can wrap your kid in this. Yeah, this this is made of 100% polyester. The material is polyester, and the price is 800 rupees only. For 800 rupees you can buy this, but as you all know, we are having offers on selected Marvel products in our store. So like if you buy one, you'll get 20% off. If you buy two, you'll get 30% off on selected Marvel products. So this is in offer. This is in offer. Price is 800 rupees, but this is in offer, like 20 and 30% off. So you too can order them. So this is very soft and smooth, so you can order them with hood. Have I told you before, with hood? Are you guys able to see me? So yeah, this is a blanket made of 100% polyester, and for kids, this is for kids, and the price is 800 rupees only. But this has an offer, and shopping with Miniso is easy now. You can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description, and you can also visit our store, because our store is very safe. Why? Because we disinfect our products every day, so no need to panic. Yeah, you can order them through WhatsApp. And towels. Who? This is again from me, Marvel. You can see this is Captain America. Captain America. These are towels. You can see this Captain America. Whose favorite is Captain America? So these and the price is 800 rupees only. For 800 rupees you can order this, but this one has an offer. This is in offer, like buy one 20% off, buy two 30% off on this. So this is from Marvel, and this is in offer. And we have one more model in this, which is Iron Man. Yeah, this is Iron Man. Iron Man. These are towels and the price is 800 rupees, but this one has an offer available in two models, Captain America and Iron Man. So each 800 rupees, but it has an offer of 20 and 30% off. So you can order them through WhatsApp, link is given below in the description. And shopping with Miniso is safe and secure because we disinfect our products every day, no need to panic. Okay. Do you guys have any questions? You can ask me. I'll try to answer them. Any questions? Okay, I'll start with some more bathroom related products. Bathroom related products. I'll start with organizers, bathroom organizers. It's a triangle shape organizer with the suction, and the price is 490 rupees only. For 490 rupees, you can order this. This is how it will look like, and these are suctions. These are very simple design, convenient and space saving products. These are simple design, convenient and space saving products, and the material is mostly like plastic. So, and you just need to clean the surface with the cloth and press it vertically to the wall. Like the surface has to be very soft and smoother, something like a glass mirror or tile without any bumps. So you can use this on that surface. Just press it vertically to the wall and uh, rotate it counterclockwise and leave it to rest for 2 hours to make it steadier. Then only you can use this. So it's a triangle organizer. So you too can order them. The price is only 490 rupees. Only 490 rupees. For 490 rupees, you can order this through WhatsApp. Another model is rectangular organizer. Rectangular organizer. This one also has this suction one. It's a rectangular organizer, and the price is 450 rupees. For 450 rupees, you can order this. Hello, hi Bhavesh. Thank you for joining us. So these are rectangular organizers for bathrooms. So to just how to use this, just clean the surface with the cloth very neatly and press it vertically to the wall and rotate this counterclockwise and leave it to rest for 2 hours, then to make it steadier. Then only you can use them, and the maximum weight it can hold is 3 kgs, not more than that. It only 3 kgs it can hold. So be cautious with that. And the material is plastic, ABS. And coming to, it's a hair dryer holder. And the price is 250 rupees only. For 250 rupees, you can order this through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. And this is how it will look like. I'll show you how does it look like. This is how it will look like. You just need to fix it like this. Just clean the surface with the cloth and press it vertically to the wall like this, and rotate this counterclockwise, and leave it to rest for 2 hours, then on to make it steadier. Then only you can use this, and it can hold maximum 3 kgs, not more than that. Maximum 3 kgs it can hold this, and the price is 250 rupees only. Hello, hi, Pratyup. Pratyup, okay, whatever, Pratyup. And the price is 250 rupees only. For 250 rupees you can order this hair dryer holder. This is how it will look like. These are all space saving products, and very unique design. Easy. Price is 250 rupees only, and shopping with Miniso is easy now. You can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description, and our products are safe. Shopping in Miniso is safe because we disinfect our products every day. So no need to panic. You can order them through WhatsApp. It's a toothpaste holder. And the price is 190 rupees only. For 190 rupees you can order this, and the material is plastic and fiber. It's wheat fiber, plastic and wheat fiber combined, and it has a drain bottom. You can see this drain bottom, and you can store toothbrush, toothpaste, razors, and this is the gargle mug, and it has a drain bottom. So, and the 3 colors are available in this model: pink, white and blue. This is blue and this is white. Pink, white and blue, 3 colors are available. So you too can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description, and the material is plastic and wheat fiber combined. So available in 3 colors: pink, blue and white. This is how it will look like, and it has a drain bottom, gargle mug, everything is there. Bottle is unique. So price is 190 rupees only. For 190 rupees you can order this. Price is 190 only. So link is given below in the description. You can order them through WhatsApp. And one more product is this is also a toothbrush holder, but you'll get 2 gargle mugs. It's bigger than that, and the price is 290 rupees only. The price is 290 rupees. You can order this for 290 rupees, and I'll show you how does it look. These are 2 gargle mugs. It has a drain bottom. You can place the gargle mugs over here like this, and the material is plastic and wheat straw. Sorry, it's a cereal fiber. Material is cereal fiber, come plastic, and you'll get 2 gargle mugs. You can store your toothpaste, shavers, toothbrushes, and the price is 290 rupees only. For 290 rupees you can order this. Shopping with Miniso is easy now. You can order them through WhatsApp, and link is given below in the description. So for 290 rupees you too can have this toothpaste holder. Yeah, you can order them. One more toothpaste holder, and the price is 230 rupees only. This is 230 rupees only. This is how it will look like. You will get 3 pieces. This is soap holder, This is for draining the water cover, all of it. You can also use it like this. And this is a gargle mug, and this is a toothpaste holder. You can remove this like this. So this is a 3-in-1 set, 3-in-1 set. So, and the price is 230 rupees only, and the material is plastic and wheat straw. Plastic and wheat straw. Price is 230 rupees only. Simple design, simple design. So you too can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. This is another model toothpaste holder, uh, and the price is 450 rupees. 450 rupees. This is a space saving product. Convenient and fashionable, simple, easy to use. Uh, this is how it will look like. This is a suction. As you all know, you just need to place it vertically to the wall on like a smooth surface, something like a glass, mirror, or a tile, without any bumps. So hello, hi, Queen. Okay, Queen, thank you for joining our live. So it's a toothpaste holder. These are gargle mugs, and it has a drain bottom inside. Drain bottom. You just need to place it like this and press to the wall vertically, and rotate this counterclockwise, and leave it to rest for 2 hours to make it steadier. Then only you can use this, and it can hold up to maximum 3 kgs, not more than that. Only 3 kgs it can hold. So you too can order them. This is actually a space saving product in Miniso. And the price is 450 rupees only. For 450 rupees you can order this, and the material is plastic. What else it could be? Plastic. So shopping with Miniso is easy now. You can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description, and our products are safe because we disinfect our products every day. No need to panic. You can order them through WhatsApp, or else you can also DM in Instagram. And next, soap holder. It's a simple design soap holder, simple design, nothing else, and the price is 90 rupees only. So you can see these ridges. This is to make the soap dry. So it will make your soap dry. These ridges. Simple design, nothing else, and the price is 90 rupees only. You too can order them through WhatsApp. And we have 2 colors in this model, this and this is light color. 2 colors are available in this model. So you too can order them through WhatsApp. This is another model. Hello, hi Praveen, thank you for joining our live. This is another soap holder. It's a simple soap holder. Just a normal soap holder, and the price is 140 rupees only. It has a drain bottom. The price is 140 rupees only. You too can order them through WhatsApp. It's another soap holder, but it is made of silicone. It's actually a goldfish silicone soap holder. Flexible. You can see these ridges. It will make your soap dry. So you just need to clean it frequently. It's a silicone goldfish soap holder. And the price is 250 rupees only. For 250 rupees you can have this flexible silicone soap holder. You can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. This is another model soap holder, and the price is 140 rupees only. For 140 rupees you can order this fish shape. It's actually a unique design. It's a unique design. This is actually silicone, made of silicone. You can see the design, it's unique design. Fish. So it's a normal soap holder. You can place your soap on this. It's a soap holder made of silicone, and the price is 140 rupees only. For 140 rupees you can order them. The design is very unique and eye-catching. So shopping with Miniso is easy now. You can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. We are waiting for your orders. You can order them. And this is a bathing brush. You can bath your back. This is just a bathing brush, and the price 190 rupees only. For 190 rupees you can order this, and it will exfoliate it and cleanses your skin smooth. So you can also rub your feet. It's a bathing brush, and the price is 190 rupees only. If you are bathing every day, you must need this. Price is 190 rupees only, and this is made of hard plastic. So you too can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. Bathing brush. These are bathing sponges, bath sponges. These are bath sponges, pack of 3, pink, blue and green. 3 colors are available, pink, blue and green. Bathing sponges, and 3 pieces set. You can, and the price is 190 rupees only. For 190 rupees you can order this bathing sponge. How to use, everyone knows how to use, but let me explain you. Just wet this product and put some body wash or bath wash on this, and rub it to make it a rich foam, and directly after that you can directly scrub your skin. It will cleanse your skin soft, very soft. It's a bathing sponge. 3-piece set, pink, blue and green. 3 colors are available, and the price is 190 rupees only. You too can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. Hello, hi Shailesh. Thank you for joining us. Do you guys have any questions? You can ask me. This is also a bathing sponge, but it's a ice cream cone shaped bathing sponge. It's an ice cream comb, and the price is 200 rupees only. For 200 rupees you can order this ice cream cone bathing sponge, and available in 2 colors, this and pink, green and pink, and the price is 200 rupees each. Link and you can also order through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. Bathing sponge. It's not ice cream. But it's a ice cream cone shaped bathing sponge. It look like ice cream. So you too can order them through WhatsApp. Available in 2 colors, pink and green. Price is 200 rupees each. You can order them through WhatsApp. And this is also a scrub, like a bath sponge and scrub. It's a bathing sponge and it's a holder. You can rub your skin like this or this. Just apply a soap or a body wash on this. Before that, wet this product and apply a body wash on this, a small amount of body wash, and make it a rich foam. Then you can directly rub your skin like this. Hello, hi, Nisha Agarwal. Hi. Thank you for joining us. So it's a bathing sponge set of two. You two can order them, and the price is 250 rupees only. For 250 rupees, you can order them, and the link is given below in the description. You can order them through WhatsApp, and Miniso is safe. Shopping with Miniso is safe. It is very safe to shop in Miniso because we disinfect our products every day. No need to panic. You guys can order them, and we are also having a home delivery option. So yeah, you guys can order them. This is another model bathing sponge, but it's a strawberry. It's a strawberry, and the price is 140 rupees only. For 140 rupees, you can have this bathing sponge. This is from Fruit Cities. So for 190 rupees only. So you can order them through WhatsApp. Shopping with Miniso is easy now. You can also order through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. And we are also providing home delivery. So you can order them. This is another model bathing sponge with these are from V Bear Bears. These are from V Bear Bears. So same like a loofah thing, and you can start bathing now. So, and available in two models, this and white. And the price is 260 rupees. For 260 rupees, you can order them. You can have this for 260 rupees only. So shopping with Miniso is easy. You can order them through WhatsApp, and we are also providing home delivery. So this product is 260 rupees only, bathing sponge. You can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description, and it is safe to shop in Miniso. We disinfect our products every day. No need to panic, no need to worry. It's safe to shop in Miniso. These are shower caps. These are shower caps, and the price is 150 rupees only. And the material is a satin shower caps. Available in two colors, purple and blue. Available in two colors, purple and blue. Hello, hi Shri Harshad. Thank you for joining the live. And the price is 150 rupees only. So you too can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. And this is how it will look like. Do you guys want me to wear this and show you? Like this? So it's a shower cap. So you guys can order this through WhatsApp, and the price is 150 rupees each. Available in two colors, purple and blue. 150 only. So shopping with me so is easy now. You can order through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. And it is safe to shop in Miniso because we disinfect our products every day. And another product is toothpaste. It's Miniso toothpaste, and the price is 90 rupees only. For 90 rupees, you can have this anti-allergy toothpaste. Because the function is it fights dental pain. Fighting with the dental pain because it is made of neem, peppermint, and cloves. So if you guys have any dental pain, you can try this toothpaste, Miniso toothpaste, anti-allergy toothpaste, and the price is 90 rupees only. 90 rupees. So you guys can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. Do you guys have any questions or requirement? Let me know. Comment below. I'll try to explain them. Any questions? Okay. uh, Shampoo. It's a new arrival in Miniso. It's a shampoo. This is anti-dandruff shampoo, and the price is 170 rupees only. For 170 rupees, you can have this amazing shampoo made of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil, and it makes your hair smooth, soft, shiny. Yeah, made of tea tree oil. So you guys can order this through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. 170 rupees only. It's a anti-dandruff shampoo, and it will cleanse your hair gently. So it will also make your hair shine smooth. Link is given below in the description. You guys can order them through WhatsApp. And another product is this is also shampoo, but this is 2-in-1 shampoo. I repeat, 2-in-1 shampoo. It not only cleanses your hair but also conditions your hair. This is 2-in-1 shampoo made of avocado oil and chamomile oil. Made of avocado oil. Price is 170 rupees only, and this is 2-in-1 shampoo. I repeat, 2-in-1 shampoo. It will cleanse your hair gently, and also it will conditions your hair. So price is 170 rupees only. So you guys can order them through WhatsApp. And the price is 170 rupees only. Shopping with Miniso is easy now. You guys can order through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description, and we are also providing home delivery. So it is safe to shop in Miniso because we disinfect our products every day. No need to panic. You guys can order them. Hello, hi Pradeep. Thank you for joining us. Thank you. And another product is body wash. This is a body wash made of lemon extracts, and the price is 170 rupees only. For 170 rupees, you can have this amazing body wash. Price is 170 rupees only, and it will hydrate your skin, leaves your skin soft and smooth. You too can have a soft and smooth skin by using this. Hello, hi. Do you guys have any questions? Hi Manga, thank you for joining our live. So this is a body wash from Miniso, and the price is 170 rupees only. It will leave your skin smooth. So it is made of lemon extracts. You guys can order this through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. It is safe to shop in Miniso. So do you guys have any questions? Okay, we'll end this live session with one more last item, last product, face wash. This is a charcoal face wash. Anyone can use them, and the price is 160 rupees only. For 160 rupees, you can order this through WhatsApp. It's a deep cleansing face wash made of charcoal, and 160 rupees only. So, and the ml is quantity is 100 ml. 100 ml. For 160 rupees, you will be getting 100 ml of charcoal face wash for daily use. You can use it daily, so it will cleanse your face. It will remove the dirt from your skin. So very effective on your skin. So you can use this daily, every day. For everyday use, you can go for this face wash. Okay, shopping with Miniso is easy now. You can order through WhatsApp. The link is given below in the description, and it is safe to shop in Miniso because we disinfect our products every day. So you guys can order them, and we are also providing home delivery. So you can order them. So if you guys don't have any questions, we'll end this live session now, and we'll meet again. Until then, keep supporting us, keep following us on social medias, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and you can order them through WhatsApp. Link is given below in the description. And until then, be safe, stay home, stay safe, and keep shopping. And okay, thank you. That's all for now. Bye, and love life, love Miniso. Bye. Na gonna